Alright guys, welcome back. We are continuing with video 5 out of my 9 video series. I'm running all my RCs, 124 scale and 118 scale, across my course here. It's organized in kind of like a spiral pattern, starting up there, coming across the teeter-totter, going underneath the log bridge, and proceeding to gate 1 there. From there, it goes around the perimeter, all the way around to gate 5, across the back, up over the little bridge type crawling thing over there, to gate 6, which is here, and spiraling through the center, through gate 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, which ends right there, and goes up the teeter-totter to the finish. So yeah, we are now finished with these 4. We have the Dodge Power Wagon, or no, excuse me, the Dodge Bronco, or Donko, from Panda Hobbies. And we have Snakebite, which is based on the Power Wagon from Panda Hobbies. And we got the Element Enduro from Team Associated. And we have the Defender 90 from RGT, which I have ran through on the course. If you are following, you have watched those videos. If not, check them out. They're cool. So far, anyway, the Defender 90 is leading with only 1 helping hand. So that is what I'm basing this comparison off of, the number of helping hands. And now we are moving on with the series to the axials. We have my own creation, which is a 1/32 scale. In my mind it is, because it is quite a bit smaller than the rest. We have the Deadbolts, my baby digger, aka my dad's baby digger, I built it for him, and my C10. So yeah, this one here is what we are going to do next. It is pretty moderately modified. I got the rock locks on trio wheels. I have the knuckles from Hot Racing. I have not done the steering silver yet because I actually stole that one out of my Element up there because I got impatient waiting for my Emax servos. So yeah, I just haven't put it in yet. And I got some Apex shocks on there. I got Apex skid plates. I got axle housings from Power Hobbies. And what else? Oh, suspension links from Hot Racing. And I have a bumper from Hot Racing, along with my own modifications that I put lights in and magnet body mounts. So yeah, that is it for that. So moving right along, let's get to it. All right, here we go with Deadbolt number 1. Hopefully, nope, I spoke too soon. Helping hand number 1. I was gonna say, hopefully I can get through with no helping hands, but that obviously is not the case. Go around here to gate 3. Knocking down trees again. Over the little rocks. Wooden cubes to gate 4, through the tunnel. Up to gate 5. I'm not even filming it. Wow, don't know what was going on there, but luckily we got through it. Oh, not liking that. Oh, ooh, luckily not a helping hand needed. I don't even know what you would want to call that thing. It used to be a bridge, but then I had to reinforce it because it was falling apart. And now you can't go under it, so yeah. I don't know, we'll call it a tabletop. And I'm not even filming. Focus, focus. Gate 7. And gate 8 up by the campsite. Da-da-da. Oh, don't think I'm going to take that tree down. Ooh, what do you think? Can I make it? Oh yeah! Gate 9, right here. Oh, there's a small teeter-totter. Around by the ranger tower. Through underneath to gate 10. Da-da-da. Oh, low bridge again. I think the Defender 90 got hung up there too. And shooting around back underneath the rock, around the corner, gate 11. What do you think, guys? I lost track. Am I at helping hand number 1 only? I think that's what we're at. Only helping hand number 1. Seems like that thing is going to go on forever. And there we have it, guys. Deadbolt. Completed. Only 1 helping hand. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Hit that subscribe button and we will talk to you later.